Before you start building, you want to know what your project is. I have chosen to make a cup. With the ball, we're going to do something called a pinch pot. This is where you put your thumb inside and you slowly push all the way around, pushing the clay out. See, I made a little divot. You're going to do that all the way around the whole inside of the ball, pushing and pinching it out. Oh, dog hair. So I stick my thumb inside, I push and pinch a little more. Right now the walls are still very thick, and that's okay, because the more we work it, the thinner they'll get. So right now we're working toward getting to the bottom. Woo. Right now my clay is still about that thick inside. So you just keep working it. See how it's getting longer? And then going out to the side. Pinching up the side. Around and around and around. I'm basically doing this inside the clay. And then you can switch to a C shape when you start going up. Careful not to get your fingernails into it. You're using the tip of your finger meeting together like this through the clay. But not too tight. Don't want to pinch too tight. You want to stop about 1/4 inch away from each other, because that's the thickness you're working your clay to. Come back down. Now for this part, this is the shaping. I want this to be a round cup. So I'm going to use my thumb and push all the way around, shaping the inside of the cup first, and then we'll shape the outside of the cup. And I do that by tapping the bottom and turning it. Now, because I have a lot of sensitivity in these two fingers, I can really feel the true thickness of the clay. So I'm starting from where I made the bottom of my cup. And I'm slowly pinching back up to the lip. All right. Again, that bottom shape. Now we're shaping the outside of the cup, starting with the base. I'm pushing my thumb into the bottom, all the way around in a circle, about 1/4. And look at that, it flattened the cup. I made a nice little edge. And it's not perfectly round, but that's the fun part about hand building, is they look like they were made by hand. So here we have our pinch pot